What it do, y'all? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video, we are going to talk about the Wolf Capital. Okay, guys, this thing has been live for quite some time. Okay, and unfortunately, I didn't have the funds available to join this project from the beginning. Okay, but finally I decided to go ahead and make my moves into Wolf Capital. Okay, guys, so I'm going to make a quick review about the project, and then I'm going to show you how to play about with this thing. Okay, so total volume lock is 149,000 bucks. Okay, I believe this is the funds currently inside the smart contract, but the total invested is 4.08 million. Okay, so this is a project where the team behind the project will use majority of the funds to perform trades, and then from those trades they will pump the smart contract for investors to get paid. Okay, over here we have teams. Okay, so we have lots of teams, and you can choose from team 1 all the way to page 15. You got so many teams, right? So, and the top team, ranking number 1, Defined Snipers, Wolfpack, 637 members, and total stake 1.7 mil. Okay, so keep in mind, guys, I just joined today, and you have to select a team if you want to. If you're not, you can go solo, but your daily APR will be at 1%. Whereas if you join somebody's team, you will be at 1.5%. Let me tell you, the first 3 teams or first 4 teams, okay, they are maxed out. So you cannot join the first 4 teams, okay? That's why I decided to go ahead and join the 50, which was this one right here, okay? It doesn't matter as long as we get that 1% per day, it's all good, okay? So total users, 1,762 users, total teams, 114 teams, okay? So as you can see, you got a lot to choose, okay? And if you come over here to staking, this is where the magic happens. Okay, so I'm currently earning 1.5% daily. So if you want to roll with somebody's team, okay, like I showed you, come over here to the Wolf Pack, select one team that's available, and then once that's selected, okay, you come over here to deposit. The minimum deposit is is 50 bucks, and the maximum, where is it? The maximum is, it says over here, uh, the maximum I think is 100K, okay? So if you want to deposit, you come over here. So for example, 100, you come over here, select 100, you hit deposit, and you will pay 2 gas fees. One for the approval, that you have to approve the 100 USDC, and the next one is for the deposit. Okay, so once that's done, you are be good to go. You come over here and you enter the amounts that you want to stake, the daily APR, and over here you can see your daily profit. Bear in mind, guys, every time you make a deposit, there will be a 10% tax. Okay, so if you deposit 100, your staked amount will be 90. Okay, so from those 90, you will get 1.35 per day, and this is going to be your 135 per day. Okay, and that's your daily profit. And if you move this bar right here, so let's say 60 days, in 60 days you'll make 81 bucks. So keep in mind, after 60 days, so once you make your deposit, your stake is locked. Okay, let me just connect to my MetaMask so I can show you my stake. Okay, I'm in, and as you can see right here, we have my total deposit. Okay, 50 bucks, right? So we can see my total stake. So 50 bucks minus the 10% tax. Okay, this is my daily earnings and my claimable profit. Okay, so once you make your first deposit, your stake will pop up right here. Okay, after the tax, it will pop up right here, and you can see the unstake function. So I'll be able to unstake my initial stake, all right, this 45 bucks in 59 days, 23 hours, and 46 minutes. Okay, so that means your stake is locked for 60 days. And you can only claim your profits every 7 days. Okay, so after 7 days, so you have to wait, I will have to wait 7 days. After 7 days, I will be able to come over here and claim. And then if I don't claim, I will have an extra 3 days to claim. Okay, after 10 days, the accumulation rewards will stop until I make that claim. If I don't make that claim, I won't get paid. Okay, so what I will do is I will in 2 days, in 3 days time. So in 3 days time, I will make another deposit. Okay, and then I will have two deposits, and then I will make another deposit after 3 days. Okay, so that means I will have 3 days, three deposits in total. Okay, and so after that, I will be able to claim every 3 days. So every 3 days, I'll come over here, claim this one. 3 days later, I will claim this one. 3 days later, I will claim this one. And that's going to be my approach in regards to these projects. Okay. So I've got 45 right there. So let's go 45. I'm getting 1.5 per day. So let's go for 9 days. So 9 days, I will have 6.08 profits. Okay. Obviously, if you want to do the 50-50 strategy, you will need $100. Okay, you'll need $50 at least. So let's say you deposit 200. So in 9 days, you won't do it. So 300, you won't do it. 500. 500 is too much. So probably 375. There you go. So 375. So if you deposit 375, okay, you'll be able to redeposit or do the fee. Well, yeah, you'll be able to redeposit or compound after 9 days. But it's up to you the strategy that you want to apply. Okay. But like I said to you, I'm gonna make 3 deposits, so every 3 days I'll be able to claim. And yeah, that's that. Okay, guys. So Wolf Capital, I'm not really sure how long this project's been going on. It's been live, okay, but it is doing really well, and the total investment keeps on growing. Okay, guys. So only invest risk capital, guys, because we don't know what's going to happen tomorrow, so only invest risk capital. But so far so good. Okay, the project it's doing well, so we cannot complain. Okay, so I might be too late, but put it this way, every time that somebody come over here and redeposits, that counts as a new deposit, just like I did. So let's say I was in a project for like a month and I redeposit. So that means this is a new deposit that, if I want to unstake this, I will have to wait 60 days, just like everybody else. So in my opinion, I'm not too late. Okay. So that's just my opinion. And I will find the Dune page for this project. And then on my next video, I'm gonna show you the Dune page so I can show you some statistics. But for now, this video is just to show you how to play about with the project and also my stake. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.